how this easy side hustle writing envelopes actually work. So I'm gonna walk you through how you can get started and start making money right before Christmas. So you guys, in order to get started, you need the ebook. The ebook is only $27, but inside the ebook, there is everything you need to get started. You cannot get started without the ebook. But some people selling the ebook for way more than I am. The lowest price you can sell this ebook is $27, and I am selling it only for $27. So if you want to get started, the ebook is in my stand store. So go ahead and look for writing envelopes for Mula. That's the one you want to get. Once you have your ebook, there is step by step what you need to do, the material you need, the company you need to apply for, and all the steps to be successful writing envelopes and start making money immediately. You can literally start writing letters today once you get your ebook. You don't have to wait to get approved from the company. Start writing, and whenever you get approved, you be ready to mail out your envelopes. So once you get your ebook, inside the ebook, you have different companies you can apply for. Then you choose the company you want to write for. I am writing for Lucky Land because Lucky Land pays out anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks. The other companies are even backed out, so you get paid in like 13 weeks. But there are also others you can get paid even sooner than in 4 to 8 weeks. But I am writing for Lucky Land. I absolutely love it. You can also get money on everyday basis just by signing into the account, and the company actually give you free money. It's called sweep coins, and you can exchange them for real money and deposit them in your bank account. Lucky Land will pay you once you reach $50 value in your money. Then you can actually cash out. Some other companies, you need $100 in your account to be ready to cash out. So once you have the ebook, inside the ebook, you find out how to register for a company, how to get approved, and literally all you need is your ID, your name, your address, and you need to fill it in and wait till the company approve you. Some takes anywhere between 24 hours to 1 week. So I applied for 2 companies. Lucky Land is the one I absolutely love. I was approved in less than 24 hours. Then Chamba, I got approved after like a week or maybe even 8 days. I actually have to reach out to Chamba and ask them to approve me. But once I reach out, I was approved within a few hours. But when I sent out the request for the first time, they didn't approve me. But then I reach out, and after I reach out again, they approve me very quickly. So that's just a tip. If you don't get approved immediately, reach out to the company and you get approved. But as I was waiting, I started writing because inside of the ebook, you have templates. So once you choose the company you're gonna write for, you're gonna look for a template the company is asking for, and you're gonna follow the template. So first you're gonna write your template. Okay, so this is my template, right? I'm gonna cover my address. This is my template. Okay, once you have your template, you're gonna submit it inside of our Facebook group for approval. And once we give you the okay to start writing, then you can start writing, okay? But you don't want to start writing without the people inside the Facebook group to give you the approval, because you may have something wrong on your card, you know, or maybe one letter would make big difference. So you want to make sure you submit the card to Facebook group, and we say, okay, you have the green light, you can start writing, and then you can start writing. And you guys, once you have your envelopes, okay, I have 20 in here, but my goal is to send 50 envelopes today. So I'm gonna write a little bit more. Once I have 50, I'm gonna send it in. And like I said, Lucky Land pays you anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks. But if you send out your envelopes weekly, you're gonna catch up and you're gonna start receiving weekly paychecks, okay? And it's absolutely amazing. It's the easiest way to make money. If you want to get started, you can start immediately. Get your ebook. It's only $27. And ask me anything you need. DM me. But you guys, start making money. You can literally make $5,000 in 1 month before Christmas. So start writing.